Hello friends, welcome to the Tech Design channel. So friends, today I will talk about Zhang Formovie's episode 1 Page Value Projector. So friend, Formovie Technology, a leading player in the world display technology, has announced the launch of Zhang episode 1, its latest 1080p resolution projector with Google TV and native Netflix support. So friend, Technology Zhang offer a quality LCD projector with features such as auto keystone correction, autofocus included at an incredible price point, and episode 1.6 to be the top of the peak for Google TV users, and it comes with native Netflix support also. It is available at a affordable price point of €299. And friend, this projector is unique for its Google TV and native Netflix feature, which make streaming easy and seamless without additional device. Its Google TV certification and integrated Google Assistant makes it versatile and convenient for everyday use. With a resolution of 1080p, the Zhang Episode 1 projector is an excellent choice for users looking for reliability and convenience in operation, coupled with a quality viewing experience. And the projector is suitable for small to medium sized room with a throw ratio of 1.2 plus or minus 0.1 ham1, and the projector picture size can range from 40 to 120 inch, and it boasts auto keystone correction and autofocus feature. And friend, the projector offers brightness of 150 lumens and providing accurate and vivid colors and color gamut of NTSC 38%. It delivers clear and distinct image with a minimum contrast ratio of 1000 jam and typical 1500 jam 1, with a maximum power consumption of 65 watt and standby power consumption less than 0.5 watt. It's smart choice for movie nights and presentation. It supports an input voltage range of 100 to 240 volt and MT9630 CPU and 2GB RAM. Additionally, 16GB built-in memory running on the Google TV operating system further enhance efficiency and reassuring user of its cost-effective. And friend, it features 2.1 with ARC, USB 2.0, earphone and DC ports, providing easy access to a range of devices, and it also supports both 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz Wi-Fi 5 for seamless wireless connectivity. The Bluetooth 5.0 and BLE capabilities make it easier to pair with compatible device, enabling a hassle-free streaming experience. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.